Hi, I'm Santiago from Streamline Connector, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Klaviyo function step by step. This function allows you to create a profile just using your user's email and add that profile to a list. So if you click on the function, you will see that it requires three different inputs: the list ID, the email, and the API key. Let's go ahead and erase this so we can set it up ourselves. For the list ID, I've created a list for demonstration purposes. As you can see, there's no one in the list. We'll go to settings, and as you can see in the first banner, we'll find the list ID. We are going to copy that and paste it in the list ID input. Then we have to capture the email. I do this in the very first blog. You can customize it, but it's very simple. I thank the user for wanting to join the mailing list and I ask for their email. I capture it in the email variable, and then we all we need to do is pass that variable to the email input. Lastly, we need to get the API key. For that, we head to Klaviyo's dashboard and we click on settings. After settings, we'll click on API keys. We'll scroll down to this button called create private API key. First, we need to give it a name. Let's call it demo API. And all we need to do is grant both list and profiles read and write access. I recommend you to have a dedicated API for this function, and you hit create. You will see your API, you copy it, and then as we did with the list ID, we just paste it. That that is all. Now our function should be working correctly. Let's go ahead and try it. So we are going to put this is a test at gmail.com, and as you can see it is thanking me for subscribing to the mailing list. Let's go ahead and check if we see that in members. Let's refresh the page, and as you can see, this is a test at Gmail has been created as a profile and has been added to the list. I hope that that was helpful. Please feel free to reach out or leave a comment.